The COVID pandemic came in 2020, which highlighted the importance of medical oxygen in hospitals and clinics. As per WHO, medical oxygen should be supplied with at least 82% purity and needs to be free of any other contamination. However, with oxygen cylinders, the purity cannot be ensured. Introducing the new MOS 1800F from NF Healthcare India Private Limited, a subsidiary of Korean company NF Co Limited. This is the device that can produce 93% plus minus 3% pure oxygen. Doesn't need any structural changes to install and is quite easy to install and operate. It has an oxygen flow rate of 180 lpm or 10.8 nm³ per hour. It works on PSA, that is pressure swing adsorption technology, to produce oxygen with 93% plus minus 3% purity. It gives an oxygen pressure of 4.5 to 6 bars. What's more, a stainless steel body ensures hygiene, ease of transportation and installation. Turn-down ratio varies from 10% to 100%, which means flow rates can be increased or decreased as per user requirement. Comes with oil-free compressors, so no possibility of oil vapors in oxygen. Least space needed, 4200 by 500 by 1375 mm versus all machines present in the market for similar oxygen flow. 6 machines working in parallel in one machine. If one machine stops, the others still work, thus allowing you to work without any problem. Minimum noise level of 60 dB as compared to other machines. This machine generates oxygen of up to 50 D-type cylinders per day. Lower power consumption of 11.6 kW per hour compared to any other machine in the market. Versatile machine, which allows medical oxygen output to increase from 180 lpm to 1000 lpm by adding more units in series, bringing you the best-in-class service as well as assistance in installation. We make sure that the switch to MOS 1800F is smooth and easy. With our device, we take care of your hospital's oxygen supply, so you have one less thing to worry about. NF Healthcare India Private Limited, together with you in saving lives.